In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a product on Ecwid. Managing an online store involves a lot of product updates, additions, and sometimes deletions. Whether it's because a product is out of stock indefinitely, or you've decided it no longer fits your brand, the process of removing a product from your Ecwid store should be simple and straightforward. Firstly, you need to navigate to the Ecwid website. This can easily be done by searching for Ecwid on your preferred web browser, or by entering the URL directly. Once you land on the home page, you'll find it teeming with information and options designed to help ease the journey of managing your online store. The next step requires you to log into your account. Look for the login link, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the sign-in page. For those who have linked their Google accounts, the process is even more streamlined. You'll see an option to sign in with Google. Go ahead and click on this. Upon choosing to sign in with Google, you'll be prompted to select the account you wish to log in with. This is particularly useful if you manage multiple Google accounts. Make sure to choose the one associated with your Ecwid store to avoid any confusion. After successfully logging in, you will be greeted by the Ecwid control panel. This dashboard is your command center, where you can navigate through various aspects of your online store, from inventory management to marketing initiatives. To begin the process of deleting a product, hover your mouse over the catalog option on the left sidebar. This will expand to reveal more options. Among these, click on Products. This action will direct you to your product list, a comprehensive view of all items currently available in your store. As you browse through your products, identify the one you wish to delete. Note that it's essential to be certain of your choice here, as deleting a product is a final action. Once you've made your selection, you'll notice a drop-down button to the right of the product listing. Click on this to unveil further options. Among the options presented, find and click on Delete Product. This is typically marked with a trash bin icon, making it easily identifiable. A prompt may appear asking for confirmation of your decision to delete the product. This is a failsafe to ensure that no product is deleted unintentionally. Clicking Yes or Confirm on the prompt will permanently remove the product from your store's listing, and just like that, the product will no longer be available to your customers. It's worth mentioning a few additional tips to make your Ecwid management experience smoother. Always consider the impact of deleting a product on your inventory and sales report. If the product is simply out of stock or being updated, it might be more beneficial to mark it as unavailable or temporarily hide it from the store. Furthermore, if you're managing a large inventory, utilize the search and filter functions within the product list to quickly find the items you're looking for. This can save you a significant amount of time, especially when you need to update or delete multiple products. In conclusion, while the task of deleting a product from your Ecwid store is straightforward, understanding the steps and implications of this action can help maintain the integrity and purposefulness of your product catalog. Whether it's spring cleaning your inventory or making room for new products, managing your e-commerce platform efficiently is crucial for the success of your online store. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to delete a product on Ecwid. Stay tuned for more insights and tips to make the most out of your e-commerce experience.